Price: the Hyryder is now priced between 10.86 rupees lakh and 20 rupees lakh, ex-showroom Delhi. Variants: Toyota offers it in 4 broad trims, E, S, G and V. The C and G variants are available on the mid-spec S and G trims. Colors: the Hyryder is offered in 7 monotones and 4 dual-tone color options: Cafe White, Enticing Silver, Gaming Gray, Sportin' Red, Midnight Black, Cave Black, Speedy Blue, Sportin' Red with Midnight Black, Enticing Silver with Midnight Black, Speedy Blue with Midnight Black and Cafe White with Midnight Black. Seating capacity: it comes in a 5-seater configuration. Engine and transmission: Toyota's compact SUV comes with 2 petrol powertrain options, a 1.5-liter mild hybrid system, 103 PS/137 Nm, and a 1.5-liter strong hybrid system with 116 PS, combined. The former is paired with a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission and is available in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, AWD only with the MT. The latter comes only with an ECVT in a front-wheel drive system. The C and G variants use the mild hybrid engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, and it has claimed fuel efficiency of 26.6 km per kilogram. Features: the Hyryder comes with a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment unit, ventilated front seats, smartphone and smartwatch connectivity, ambient lighting and paddle shifters. It also comes with a heads-up display, wireless phone charger and panoramic sunroof. Safety: it gets up to 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, vehicle stability control, VSC, all-wheel disc brakes and a 360-degree camera. Rivals: the Hyryder competes with the Hyundai Creta, Maruti Grand Vitara, Kia Seltos, Honda Elevate, Skoda Kushaq, MG Aster, Volkswagen Tiguan and Citroën C3 Aircross. The new Mahindra Scorpio Classic can also be considered a rugged alternative. Specification of Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder. Array mileage 27.97 kmpl. Fuel type petrol. Engine displacement 1,490 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 3. Max power 91.18 bhp at 5,500 rpm. Max torque 122 Nm at 4,400-4,800 rpm. Seating capacity 5. Transmission type automatic. Fuel tank capacity 45.0. Body type SUV.